Me again for Dalisa Sports Show. I really appreciate your company. Right, before I forget, so Achraf Hakimi plays for PSG. Was insanely sensational in the Champions League. All the games I watched him in, the guy is a brilliant. He's a bowler, fantastic. Yeah. Now he has been facing allegations of rape the last few years. Another footballer facing these allegations from women. And I've said it before. I've got another video where I was saying the same thing about Thomas Partey. You become a footballer and somehow your morals become fluid. So on the 1st of August, prosecutors in France officially requested that Hakimi face a criminal trial for allegations of rape over an incident that happened in February 2023. Now, a judge, they are waiting for an investigating judge to determine whether there is enough proof or evidence to proceed with formal proceedings. If convicted, that is, if Hakimi is found guilty, he is facing up to 15 years in prison. Now, the background for this allegation is that in February 2023, a 24-year-old woman said that Hakimi invited her to his home in France somewhere, Boulogne, where she claimed he kissed her without consent and assaulted her. Initially, she did not file a complaint, but later provided distressing text messages to the investigators. Hakimi was formally indicted on the 3rd of March 2023, placed under supervision, and barred from contacting the accuser while being allowed to leave French territory. So now, recent developments and defensive arguments are that investigators uncovered some WhatsApp messages suggesting premeditated plans by the accuser and the French seduce and possibly extort Hakimi. Messages like, "We're going to rob him blind and I'm going to F him up," were cited. The defense argues these messages paint the claims as part of a blackmail, a scheme. So basically they're saying, these girls want something. They want to be paid, or they just want to make my client, a criminal, because these messages show premeditation and that they basically, there was no crime that was committed. At least that is part of the defense from Hakimi's lawyers. Now, Fanny Collin, Hakimi's lawyer, called the prosecutors